Hello everyone. Goodwill presents one of the stocks in focus for the month of October. United Spirits Ltd can be bought at a price of 10.25 rupees for a time period of 3 months for a target of 11.53 rupees. Diageo India Incorporated in India as United Spirits Ltd is the country's leading beverage alcohol company, and a subsidiary of global leader Diageo PLC. USL has a comprehensive brand portfolio with more than 80 brands of Scotch whisky, IMFL whisky, brandy, rum, vodka, and gin. Out of these, 9 brands that sell more than 1 million cases each year, of which 1 brand sells over more than 25 million cases each annually. The company has a pan-India manufacturing presence with more than 47 facilities, and a distribution network of 70,000 outlets. USL has the highest market share of 25% in the Indian spirits industry. It is the second largest spirits company in the world. The company has a 45% market share in the Indian whisky market. Whisky accounts for over 60% spirits sale in India. United Spirits Ltd is a large-cap company with market capitalization of 74,528 crore rupees. Company has a beta value of 0.83, which indicates that company is less volatile than the benchmark index. The face value of a company share is currently 2 rupees. Return on capital employed for the company is 20%. Let us now look at some fundamental ratios for the stock that will help us paint a clearer picture. Price to book value for the company is 9.17 times. Price to earnings ratio for the company is 47.24 times. Debt to equity ratio stands at 0.05, which indicates that company has low level of debt. Returns on equity ratio is 18.93%, which is quite good. Earnings per share, better known as EPS, is 16.01 rupees. In the quarter ending March 2013, United Spirits Ltd has declared dividend of 2.50 Indian rupees, translating a dividend yield of 0.49%. United Spirits Ltd revenue was 2,689.50 Indian rupees crore in the quarter ending June 2023. The revenue grew by 9.99% year-on-year basis since last quarter. United Spirits Ltd profits were 476.70 Indian rupees crore in the quarter ending June 2023. The profits grew by 79.08% year-on-year basis since last quarter. United Spirits Ltd dividend was 2.50 Indian rupees in the quarter ending March 2013. Coming to the technical aspect of the stock, United Spirits Ltd is currently trading at around 1,023 rupees. We can put a stop loss of 942.8 rupees and a target of 1,153 rupees. The stock has recently experienced a breakout from the downward trend channel on the daily chart, suggesting a potential trend reversal. Moreover, on the weekly time frame, the stock has been above critical moving average of 10, 50, and 200, indicating a strong trend in the rally. As we can see on the weekly chart, the higher highs pattern signals an uptrend for the coming periods. Currently, the resistance levels of pivot point are 1064. While the support point shall be at 984.65 and 944.70 level. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.